Looking for the top security camera systems to safeguard your home or business? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 security camera systems that combine cutting-edge technology, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or starting from scratch, these systems offer unbeatable protection. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with a video. First product on our list, H.View 4K CCTV Security Camera System. The H.View 4K 5MP/8MP POS CCTV Security Camera System is a standout choice. This comprehensive kit comes with 4, 6, or 8 cameras, each offering 5MP or 8MP resolution for crystal clear surveillance. The system's 90 degrees viewing angle ensures broad coverage for any space. The H.View system includes an 8-channel PoE NVR, utilizing H.265 compression for efficient storage. With a 4 TB maximum storage capacity, you won't have to worry about running out of space. The cameras are housed in metal and come with an IP66 waterproof rating, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, rain or shine. Using the XMI Pro app, you can easily monitor your property remotely via iPhone or Android. Setup is a breeze thanks to PoE technology, which combines power and data transmission into a single cable. This system provides exceptional security, ease of use, and durability, all in one package. Second product on our list, ASECAM 4K Security Camera System. The ASECAM 8MP 4K Security Camera System offers exceptional surveillance for both residential and commercial properties. Featuring 8MP 4K resolution, it delivers 4 times the detail of 1080p, ensuring crystal clear footage. This system also boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating, making it perfect for outdoor use, even in extreme weather conditions. The advanced night vision allows you to see up to 100 feet in complete darkness, ensuring round-the-clock protection. With H.265 video compression, file sizes are reduced by 40 to 50%, saving storage space while maintaining top-notch video quality. For added security, the system includes smart motion detection, which lets you customize detection zones to reduce false alarms. The IK10 explosion-proof and durable dome design adds extra protection for challenging environments. Whether for home or business, this ASECAM system provides reliable, high-quality security. Third product on our list, ASECAM Security Camera System. The ASECAM 8MP 4K Security Camera System is designed to provide top-notch surveillance for both homes and businesses. With 8MP resolution, it delivers clear, detailed video footage. Whether you choose dome or bullet cameras, this system ensures versatile installation options. Equipped with PoE NVR, installation is simple, and the system is powered via Ethernet, reducing the need for extra cables. The IP66 waterproof rating makes it perfect for outdoor use, even in harsh weather conditions. With a 130 degrees viewing angle, it covers a large area for better security. This system features motion detection, sending you instant email alerts whenever suspicious activity is detected. The H.265 video compression reduces storage requirements without sacrificing quality. Remote viewing is easy through the P2P app on both iOS and Android devices. Fourth product on our list, H.View 8CH Wi-Fi Security Kit. The H.View 8CH 5MP Wi-Fi Security Kit is an advanced solution for outdoor surveillance. This system supports up to 8 cameras, with options of 4, 6, or 8 cameras, offering flexible coverage for any property size. Each camera boasts a 5MP resolution, providing clear, detailed footage. It also features two-way audio, allowing communication through the cameras for enhanced security. Plus, the IP66 waterproof rating ensures these cameras perform well in any weather conditions. With AI motion detection, the system identifies faces and human body movements, adding an extra layer of security. H.265 plus video compression ensures long storage times without sacrificing video quality. The system supports a 3.5 SATA HDD, with storage capacity from 500 GB up to 4 TB. Remote viewing is made easy with the XMI app, allowing users to monitor their property from anywhere. H.View delivers smart, reliable surveillance for peace of mind. Fifth product on our list, Hiseeu Wi-Fi CCTV Security System. The Hiseeu 5MP Wi-Fi CCTV Security System is built for homeowners and businesses seeking dependable surveillance. With its bullet-style design and durable build, it offers excellent outdoor protection. The system includes a 10-channel NVR, giving users room to expand their security network. Each camera captures footage in crisp 5MP quality, though the NVR supports 1080p resolution, ensuring sharp, clear images for daily monitoring. That means better visibility, whether it's day or night. Plus, with IR night vision, the cameras provide round-the-clock coverage, even in complete darkness. It supports both NTSC and PAL TV systems, making it versatile for various regions. Installation is a breeze with its wireless setup. No cables, no mess. Ideal for users needing 8-channel input, this system blends power, simplicity, and flexibility. Hiseeu has created a smart security solution that works as hard as you do to keep your space safe.